Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to Amavenzazi TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Sikukune 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Umchomania.
Sure, Atiam.
Uchomo.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
No, into ngayisho mfethu, we came here at Dobsonville sizobukela isikhukhuni sidlala ne-TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
But we're going supporter isikhukhuni.
Yeah.
Isikhukhuni was playing very good football.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
I'm a coach. I'm a coach.
Oh, coach.
Yeah, I'm a youth coach, like community set up Dobsonville.
Sure.
Isikhukhuni play good football. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Mina, I wish go to Eric Tintla a game kube uyine dala first half.
First 45.
First 45.
Yeah.
But it's football and it.
Yeah.
So we can plan, but God decide.
Yeah.
So when God decide we go to be 1-1, then
Inja.
yeah.
Inja.
We are the human being, but
Yes. So tactically, the game we won against coach.
Via Iskukun United, they were so very tactical enough. Good because they were dominating. Like Mebazamu press ama pocket to our TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
So Mbone TS Galaxy they are playing a long ball.
Yeah.
Because ubonile noma baseba introduce uZaimovic.
Yeah.
Ubonile ukuthi like meseba lost a plan B.
Yeah.
So manje in terms of according to me, they were so very good enough go phambili.
Yeah.
Futhi ngithanda coach maka introduce uLinda Mtambo.
Yeah,
no Lisedi Kapini.
Yeah,
there was little bit touches there.
Yeah.
So make sure that the final touch ukuthi istriker sethu babulala. But
Yeah.
it's football, you understand?
Yeah.
So mina ngithi hard luck to them. It's 1-1. Let them pick a 1 point and then focus it to the next game that is coming.
Okay, man of the match.
Man of the match, Ukado Sautiam.
Yeah.
Daniel Cardoso is a good football player in a centre back.
Yeah,
he is very good because nombona noma ahle lapha emuva.
Sure.
He's communicating nama player wakhe ukuthi bafethu let's do like this.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy about him. I wish to coach Iskukuni one day. Ngifuna ukuyada noma ngingafika ngibe assistant.
Yeah.
Just to put nje ama knowledge yabona stand to give mhlambi input nami as a coach maybe ngayenzeka.
Uthi amasingalungisa
Masingalungisa ngayisi ngaze sibashaya even ne Sundowns singayishaya.
Ngayibulala ne Sundowns.
Singayibulala nami eBhakaniya fan. Yeah, ngiyibhakaniya.
Isidlala nawe ke lezi Wednesday.
No, it's okay. Usho ziphi isikhukhuni?
Isikhukhuni.
Isikhukhuni yazi so shaya because ngizoshatriwa. Anithi ngisaphethe le pain yasekhaya. Ibhlungu mfethu ungangibuzi ngayo ngoba vele mawuqala ukukhuluma ngayo mfethu ngimele umoya wami uvela uphatheke kabi because mesiwinile igame ekhaya kusiqedile.
But I flop ukube yini mntomani?
You know, it's football, ne?
Yeah. But
you know, I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
We should put this win a game.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. I honestly, I don't know. So, you know, as a Pirates fan, I can't point fingers to our players. So kumele ngenze njani kumele sibakhuthaze singamanje singapoint because amanye ama-fan bazofuna ukupointa ukuthi ubani wenzeni. Yeah, it's a mistake ama defensive yethu wena Sithibo because of uyabona ukuthi intwana manomfukeng nonkotha abashayile ispan la ntwana lezana mezifuna ukubona iPirates iba ne second star it was written in the stars kuyi history ezoyenzeka but here because of defensive yethu I don't know ukuthi ba like mina ngisho ukuthi let them avoid ama aerial ball with pyramids because sibulalwe yini ama long ball they were so good ngama long ball and bade so aerial ball and abana aerial strength manje yabona le bayiyekile le out le ngenile lo number 10 uRamadali ubani uRamadali ngize ngasho makangena ukuthi uyambona umude kanjani uyofika nje apike the last man and then free header goal so bamiyeka nalomfana lo ubani Fiston Mayele fethu ngiyakhala ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo
uyabukhosi next season bathi uzokubhoboza umayela.
Hayi kukhosi
Yeah.
hayi singashovi ngekhosi athi yami ikhosi namanje kumele loku number 10 ndoda awu ungasitsheli ngekhosi ndoda hayi ungasitsheli ngalamalani labamfethu angimazi ukuthi ubhoba akame kancane angabaholisi manje labantu abantu basebenze bajime manje amafene ekhosi mfethu yazi sebaye e-stadium ngoba bayaya nje ngoba phela mfethu seyisebukela ngoba simele sithenga amanti ungitsheli ngekhosi
Abakakayivoko.
yabona ngibhakanike angeke baze badope next ku-Nedbank ngeke badope next na next week
Top 8 abangeni.
mfethu isazothatha 3 years anithi umnabe ufike nini
This season.
ya usapheka mfethu
Yeah.
uyodlala igame yesi-25 usapheka ya mani nomholi uyavuthwa nesitampu siyavuthwa kanti leyo ayivuthwa hayi mani mina ngithi Bobby coach Bobby Dr Bobby coach Mjomane please nginayo yonke into i-paperwork ngicela nje ungisayine ngibe first youngest coach ku-Chiefs ngizokudominathela mfethu sizoya ku-Champions League and i-Chiefs izoba nestar ngami
Thank you. Come on now. Thank you, coach.